Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now by locking a single niche and a repeatable content idea. This avoids paralysis and builds audience memory. Film 3 quick takes: main angle, supporting B-roll, and a reaction close-up so you can edit options. Once done, pick a 3-6-second hook that promises value or curiosity, and make sure lighting and sound are clean. Phones work fine. Export vertical high-resolution files and label clips so you spend minutes editing, not hunting footage. Upload one test clip within 24 hours to get baseline data. You now focus on execution, edit to hook viewers in the first 2-3 seconds, then sustain interest with quick cuts and captions that reinforce speech. Once clips are tight, add a trending sound but adapt it, don't copy. Make the trend fit your message. Publish frequently, 1 to 3 clips per day for 2 weeks to collect reliable data. Make sure to engage in the first hour, reply to comments, pin a useful reply, and stitch or duet community posts to amplify reach and algorithmic weighting. You finalize by converting reach into revenue. Join Creator Fund when eligible, pitch brands with a 1-page media sheet, add affiliate links, and host live sessions for direct gifts. Also sell one digital product to test conversion. Once you see repeatable wins, batch film and use templates to scale without burning out. If performance stalls, debug quickly. Review the first 3 seconds, test a different trending sound, or load with a new caption. Often a small hook change resets distribution and recovers views.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.